Hello everyone. Today I am going to start gravity. Next lecture in force topic. So according to Newton's law of gravitation, according to Newton's law of gravitation, gravitation gravitation is the gravitation is the force of attraction, force of attraction between any two bodies, between any two bodies in this universe, in this universe. But gravity is the gravity is a special gravity is a special case of gravitation in which there must be a heavenly body out of two bodies interacting. So gravity is the special case of gravitation जसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त एउटा बडी चाहिँ हेभेनली पार्टिकल हेभेनली बडी हुनुपर्छ, एउटा दुईटा मध्ये एउटा चाहिँ हेभेनली बडी हुनुपर्छ. सो द्याट इज कल्ड ग्राभिटी. सो दस ग्राभिटी इज द force of attraction. Gravity is the force of attraction due to a heavenly body, like earth, or planets on a body near or on the surface of heavenly body. So here gravity भनेको फोर्स अफ अट्र्याक्सन हो. एउटा ठुलो हेभेनली आकाशीय पिण्डको कारणले गर्दा जुन चाहिँ त्यो फोर्स अफ अट्र्याक्सन चाहिँ सानो बडीमा लाग्ने गर्छ, जुन चाहिँ सानो बडी त्यो हेभेनली बडीको नजिक हुनुपर्छ या त त्यो हेभेनली बडीको सतहमा हुनुपर्छ. त्यो केसमा हामी फोर्स अफ अट्र्याक्सनलाई के भन्छौँ त ग्राभिटी भन्छौँ, या त सिम्पली ग्राभिटी अर force of gravity. And the force on the body, on the small body, is called weight of the body. And it can be calculated by using Newton's law of gravitation. The force of gravity can be calculated by calculated by using Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. Let m1 with the small mass, that is mass of a body, m2 with the capital mass, like mass of the earth, yeah, mass of the earth, and r is the distance. R is the distance of the body from the center of the earth. Here the body is on the surface of earth. So the distance between the center of the body and the earth is equal to radius, or you can say anywhere the body is near on the surface of the, it is small r is the what? Small r is the distance between the body and center of the earth. So we can, and the force F is the force of attraction. Or you can say force of gravity. So from Newton's law of gravitation, we can find out that force. So we will get what? F is equal to G into a small m, that is the mass of the body near or on the surface of the earth, and capital M is the mass of the earth by a square of distance between the body and the earth. From this equation, suppose let the equation 1, from equation 1, it is clear that and we know that F is equal to weight of the body, or W is equal to G m by r square. So from equation 1 it is clear that the force of gravity increases as the mass of the heavenly body like earth, heavenly body increase. The force of the gravity increases as the mass of the heavenly body like earth increases. And that you can say that is the weight of the body also increases. Weight means weight of the smaller body which is near to or on the surface of the earth. भनेको यदि यदि हेभेन्ली बडी जस्तै अर्थको मास इन्क्रिज भयो भने, हेभेन्ली बडीको मास इन्क्रिज भयो भने त्यो हेभेन्ली बडीको फोर्स अफ ग्राभिटी पनि बढ्छ। साथसाथै त्यो सर्फेसमा, त्यो हेभेन्ली बडीको सर्फेसमा भएको या त त्यो सर्फेस नजिक रहेको स्मलर बडीको वेट पनि बढ्ने गर्छ। हियर देयर इज डाइरेक्ट रिलेसन। एन्ड if the distance between the body and the earth increases, then the force of gravity decreases. That is also weight of the body. Weight of the body decreases here, and vice versa. Here यदि बडी र अर्थ बिचको डिस्टेन्स बढ्यो भने फोर्स अफ ग्राभिटी, अर्थको फोर्स अफ ग्राभिटी डिक्रिज हुन्छ, घट्छ। साथसाथै बडीको वेट पनि घट्ने गर्छ, एन्ड भाइस वर्सा, जस्ट अपोजिट। सो दिस इज द हियर वी नो the force of gravity, of the moon is 1/6 of the earth, while the force of gravity of the Jupiter is 2.5 times of the earth.